Om Dhanvantri Namaha. Myself Sharad Kumar. I am studying second year BMS in Alwas Ayurveda Medical College. In second year we have a subject called as Dravya Guna, and in that we have to study many classical drugs which are mentioned in our Samhitas. So I am collecting some of the informations about some drugs which are available in my surroundings. So one among the drugs which I have collected in my surrounding is the Guduchi.
Guduchi, the meaning of Guduchi in Sanskrit is that which protects from the diseases. It is indicated in all of the diseases. Guduchi, it is botanically identified as the Tinospora cardifolia. It belongs to the family of Menispermaceae, and the English name of this Guduchi is Tinospora or art-leafed moonseed. You can see this, the leaf is in heart shape, so that's why it is called as art-leafed moonseed. As come to our regional names, in regional names it is also called as, in Hindi it is called as Giloy, and in Kannada it is called as Amrutaballi. The synonyms of this Guduchi or Amrutaballi is Somavalli, Madhuparni and Guduchika. The habitat is deciduous. It is a deciduous climber. Let's come to Rasa Panchaka of this Guduchi. As mentioned in our classicals, the rasa of this Guduchi is Tikta with Kashaya as a Anurasa. Tikta rasa is with Kashaya as a Anurasa. And the guna of this, the characters of this Guduchi is Guru and Snigdha guna. It is having Guru and Snigdha guna. The Virya, the potency of this Guduchi drug is Ushna Virya, and the Vipaka is Madhura Vipaka. The Doshagna, the effect on Tridosha, that is on Vata Pitta Kapha, it is Tridosha Hara or Tridosha Shamaka, Vata Pitta Shamaka. The Prabhava is Rasayana. It is having a main action as a Rasayana Karma. It is having Rasayana Karma. The indication of this Guduchi in our classicals mentioned, that is for Jwara, Prameha, Kamala and Chardi, Kushta, Vatarakta. Jwara means fever, Prameha means diabetes, Kamala means jaundice, Chardi means in case of vomiting, Kushta means it is a skin disease. The yogas which are mentioned in our classicals of this Guduchi is Amritarishta. Yogas means Amritarishta, Amritottara Kashaya and Guduchi Sattva. The part used in this Guduchi is the leaf and the stem. This is the stem. It is rough in nature. This is the stem, and the root. This is the root of the Guduchi plant. And Vedas or classification of Guduchi drug, as mentioned in our Dhanvantri Nigantu, is two types, Guduchi and Kandodbhava Guduchi. The Sushruta and Charaka and Vagbhata Maharshis mentioned Guduchi in some of the ganas which are mentioned for the treatment of some of the diseases. That is, Guduchi in Charaka Samhita, Guduchi mentioned in Sandaniya Gana and Stanya Shodhana Gana and Triptigna Gana, Daha Prashamana Gana and Tikta Skanda Gana. And in case of Sushruta Maharshi, he mentioned Guduchi in Guduchadi Gana, Valli Panchamula Gana and Aragvadadi Gana, Patoladi Gana. And Vagbhata Maharshi, Acharya Vagbhata mentioned in Guduchadi, Aragvadadi and Patoladi Ganas. As the Guduchi is having a antipyretic action, antispasmodic action and anti-inflammatory action and anti-emetic action. It is used for the treatment of many of the diseases, and as mentioned in our classicals, it is the most used classical drug in Ayurveda.
This is the small information and the drug which I have collected in my surroundings, and I have referred many of the books in classicals. So this is the small information about this Guduchi plant. So let's meet in next video with a new drug. Thank you.